what's up everyone? Welcome back. Today, I am going to show you a massive secret. If you have an Amazon Firestick, especially the new 4K Max, you are literally holding a gold mine in your hands, but Amazon doesn't want you to know how to fully use it. They make it super hard to install outside apps, but today, we are bypassing all of that. I am going to walk you through, step by step, how to unlock a brand new secret app store for 2026. This store has everything: free movies, the latest TV shows, live sports, and premium players. I'm going to use very simple words, and we are going to do this together. Please, do not skip ahead. If you miss even one tiny step, it won't work. So grab your remote, sit back, and let's unlock your Firestick right now. Alright guys, step number 1. We need a tool that lets us download things from the internet. Grab your remote and go to the home screen. Move over to the little magnifying glass. That's the search icon. Click it and just type the letter D. Because the Firestick is smart, the very first thing that pops up is an app called Downloader. It's bright orange. Click it, hit download, and wait a few seconds for it to install. When it finishes, do not click open. Just press the home button on your remote. We have a secret door we need to unlock first. Amazon hides a special menu so that normal people can't install third-party apps, but I'm going to show you how to unhide it. From your home screen, scroll all the way to the right until you land on the settings gear icon. Go down and click on the box that says My Fire TV. Now we are looking for a menu called Developer Options. If you see it, great, but if you don't see it, here is the secret trick. Click on the word About. Look at the name of your Firestick at the very top. Now take your remote and press the big center circle button 7 times really fast. Keep clicking until a little gray message pops up at the bottom saying, "No need, you are already a developer." Now press the back button on your remote just one time. Boom! Look at that. Developer Options is now showing on your screen. Now click into Developer Options. First, you will see ADB Debugging. Click it to turn it on. Next, go down to Install Unknown Apps and click that. You will see our orange downloader app in a list. Click it so it says ON. Awesome job, guys! You just unlocked your Firestick. Hit the home button to go back to the main screen. Now let's go get the actual secret app store. Look for the icon on your home screen that looks like 3 little squares with a plus sign. That is your apps list. Click it. Find the orange downloader app and open it. Look for the URL search box right in the middle of the screen. Click it. Now I want you to type exactly what you see on my screen right now. Thou. Take your time, type it in, and hit go. This is downloading the file for our brand new app store. When a pop-up appears, scroll down and hit install. When it says app installed, click the done button. Do not open it yet. You'll go back to the downloader app. Click delete, and then click delete again. We are just throwing away the setup file because we don't need it anymore, and we want to save space on our Firestick. We have to do one last quick thing before we can open the treasure chest. Hold your home button. Go back to the settings gear, go down to My Fire TV, open Developer Options, and click Install Unknown Apps. Look at the list. You will now see our new secret app store. Click it to turn it on. This is the best part, guys. Hit the home button, go back to your apps list, the 3 squares, and open up your brand new secret app store. The very first time it opens, it's going to ask you to add a new library or ask for a PIN code. This is your VIP access. Take your remote and type in my exclusive 2026 code right here. Hit enter and welcome to the inside. Guys, look at all of this. Everything is so clean and easy to use. You have categories for free movies, the latest TV shows, and live sports. You also have the absolute best media players. If you want to run high-quality live TV smoothly, like connecting to Mint IPTV or Pulse IPTV. You can download the exact perfect players for those right here, so your streams never buffer. To get an app, it is super simple. Just highlight the app you want, hit download now, wait for the line to fill up, and then click install. When it's done, you go right back to the store to download even more. When you are completely done downloading, hit your home button. Go to your apps list, highlight one of your new apps. Now your favorite free movie apps are sitting right on your main TV screen. And that is it, guys. You now have a fully unlocked 2026 ready Firestick. If I helped you save money today and you got this working, please do me a huge favor and smash that thumbs up button right now. It helps this channel grow so much. Share this video with your friends so they can unlock their TVs too. And I want to hear from you. Drop a comment down below and tell me, what is the very first app you downloaded from the secret store? Let me know. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. Keep streaming, and I will see you in the next video.